Today we're going to do something that I do for my family quite often. It's pickled chicken is what we call it, but it's basically chicken brined in a pickle juice. We take our leftover juice, we stick it in the fridge, we leave it there, you know, and I add to it or whatever until I have enough to use it as a brine or a marinade for some chicken. What we typically do, we use kosher, but you can do any pickle juice. It doesn't matter if it's got extra heat in it or extra whatever. Now, I've never tried sweet pickles. That may be a thing, but I don't know. And I've always done chicken breast. Some people do bone-in chicken, but I prefer the breast. So what we're going to do today is you're going to watch me cut it up. And then I'll come back and let you know what I bread it in, because it's not flour. Got my skillet over here warming up with some cooking oil in it, and what I use is cornstarch to bread them in. And before I dip them in this cornstarch, I just run through it with a whisk a little bit just to try to get any lumps out. Usually that's pretty good. You can still do it even if you didn't do that. Alright, let's switch this around. Alright, you can take a little pinch of your cornstarch and drop it in your grease, and if it sizzles, it's ready. It is not sizzling, so it's not ready yet. We'll pour just a little bit more grease in here. And you may have to add to it as you cook, but you'll know when we get too dry. Give that just a few more minutes. Still not ready. Okay, so the grease is already hot and ready to go. So you need to dredge your meat in your cornstarch. And I really don't like try to make sure every little piece is coated, blah, 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 blah. I just, you know, just a light little breading. And you're gonna have to be careful working with cornstarch. It's not the same texture as flour, so it will make an even bigger mess, I think, than flour does. We like the taste of the cornstarch better. That's why we use it. Make sure you shake off any excess cornstarch before you drop it in your hot grease. And it doesn't have to be perfect. If part of it looks, you know, half done, it's okay. Alright, I think I just put one more piece in there. if you wanted to put any kind of spices on the chicken. Some people would do like chili powder, something like that. Taco seasoning of some sort, cumin. I just did just some pepper. It's not really salty. I think the one thing that I thought it was going to be like when I first tried it was it's going to be real salty. It's really not. And it doesn't have a strong vinegar taste. You can definitely tell that something's different. It's not just chicken breast, you know, rolled in flour and cooked. You can tell there's something different about it. So I've already sprinkled with flour, and they're not brown enough for my liking yet to take out, but I'm going to go ahead and flip those, and I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle pepper on the other side too. Okay, and then make sure that you've got you a paper towel plate or something set aside, that way when you get it out that you can drain it. Okay, let's just sit here and watch this cook. This is it. It's so yummy and so crispy and so good. You are gonna love it. And it's got like a little bit of a tang in there. It's almost like you can't kind of put your finger on what it is. But it is so good and it is so delicious, and I promise you, you will keep cooking it for your family. See you next time.